name is Uni, also known as Unineco, and today guys I'll be teaching you how to edit in Sony Vegas. This is just going to be the basics because, disclaimer, I'm not a really good editor. I just know the basics that I can teach to others. So let's start with the basics on how are you going to edit or import your video. So before editing, you need to import your video. For those who does not know what import means, it means you're gonna put your fucking video into the program. So how do you do that? Well, as you can see here, there are a lot of buttons in the upper left corner of the freaking workspace. And in these buttons, you can see the import media. Okay, so you have imported a video. Now next we are going to go to the timeline. So you have the video and then you're going to drag it down into this timeline. I guess this is called the timeline, yeah. So here we have the video. So as you can see, the previous screen is no longer because we are previewing this freaking video. Have some common sense, you dumbasses. Anyways, so here you can see the video, here you can see the timeline, and we have two I'm gonna call them boxes. This is for the video and this is for the audio, as you know, it's freaking obvious. And okay, so this is where it's gonna start getting complicated yet a bit basic. Now, do you get me or not? I don't really care.